90% of Amazon sellers are burning cash on PPC, but you don't have to be one of them. In 2025, the game has changed. And I cracked the code. Forget AI. Forget fancy software. Just 5 manual hacks that slashed my ad spend by half while outselling my competitors. Ready? Let's go. Most sellers chase the same 100 keywords like a herd of lost sheep. Meanwhile, I'm swooping in and stealing their sales with these underrated tricks. Watch this. Search term report magic. Open Amazon search term report daily. Spot long tail gems competitors ignore, like gym water bottle for sweaty hands instead of just water bottle. Reverse engineer competitors. Type competitor ASINs into Helium 10's X-ray tool. Yes, the free Chrome extension. Boom! You now have their secret high-performing keywords. Use them, bid aggressively, and watch the magic happen. Everyone stuck on auto campaigns? Not you. 2025 is the year of manual domination. But here's the catch. Structure is everything. Step-by-step blueprint. Exact match campaign. 5 to 10 hyper-relevant keywords. Bid aggressively. Example, non-slip yoga mat for hardwood floors. Phrase match killer campaign. Use intent-driven keywords like best, durable, and 2025 model. Competitor assassin campaign. Target 3-5 competitors with ratings below 4.3. Let their unhappy customers come to you. Tired of wasting 1000s on useless clicks? In 10 minutes, we're gonna fix that. No fluff, let's go. Open your search term report. Filter for keywords with 0 sales. Add them all as negative exact. Blocks future money-wasting clicks. Repeat weekly. If your ad isn't making money in 7 days, you're not optimizing. You're straight up setting money on fire. Here's how we fix it. The 7-day optimization rule. Kill keywords with ACOS, 15%. Double bids on high CTR keywords, 10%. Pause entire campaigns if conversion is 1%. Want my free 2025 PPC cheat sheet? Comment Ecomera Template below and I'll DM you my exact templates. Now go test this out and make some sales!